Up to this, we have covered the array list and linked list in depth, right? We have covered almost every method in an array list and linked list. We have seen the various properties of the array list and linked list. Now, the next topic is what is the difference between array list and linked list. So you may have a question. Array list and linked list are the implementation of the list only, right? So both are the implementation of the list. Then what will be the difference? Okay, right. So you are right, because the both the classes array list and linked list implements the list interface. So most of the properties and features will be the same, but you will find a difference in the implementation only. The way they are implementing, there only you can find a difference. Otherwise, array list and linked list have the most of the similarities. Okay, so you can find the difference in the way of implementation. In case of what are the data structure, then what is the best choice, what is the worst choice, when to use that. In that scenario you can find a difference. So let's start with. So first difference is with the underlying data structure. As I earlier told, array list has the underlying data structure of resizable or growable array, but in case of linked list, underlying data structure is doubly linked list. In case of linked list, data stored in a node format. Okay. Now the second one is array list does not array list implements the random access interface. Array list implements the three interface actually: random access, clonable, and serializable. But in case of linked list does not implements the random access interface. It only implements the two interface, that is clonable and serializable. It does not implements the random access interface. As I earlier told, random access interface gives the ability to retrieve the element, right? So that's why the array list is the best choice whenever our frequent operation is retrieval. But in case of linked list, best choice is insertion or deletion whenever we are going to insert or delete, because the data is saved in the form of node, and which has a direct pointers to the previous and next. I told you in the early video how it is implemented. So best choice is frequent operation is insertion or deletion. The next difference is what is the worst case scenario to use the array list whenever our frequent operation is insertion or deletion. Why? Because whenever we are trying to insert or delete the element at the middle of the array, then we have to shift all the remaining elements by its own position. Okay, by one position. Whenever how many elements you are going to delete, that many times other element need to shift. That's why the array list is the worst choice whenever our frequent operation is insertion or deletion. What is the worst choice in linked list? Because linked list does not implement the random access, so that's why retrieve for the retrieval of operation it is the worst choice, because we have to traverse through the nodes next pointer, and we have to find a particular element to get it. So that's why the worst choice is whenever our frequent operation is retrieval in case of linked list. Hope so guys you are clear with this difference.